Hey, today we are going to go over burpees. Burpees are the go-to total body workout. They work your arms, your legs, your core, your entire body. And I'm gonna show you a modified version all the way up to advanced. If you're advanced, go ahead and start doing your advanced burpees on number 1. And if you're modified, feel free to do the modified version the entire way through, slowly working your way up. All right, so we're gonna start at the top of the mat. So just setting up, let's have our feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. You're gonna come down in a squat and then up towards the sky. So this is the modified version. Down and up is the squat portion. You're gonna plant your hands down, step back to plank, modified, bringing your knees down, and then slowly stepping back up, arms overhead. All right, so together, we're gonna do 10 of those. Advance, if you already know what you need to do, then go ahead and get started. Ready? We're gonna do 10 together. Up and back. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, even though that was modified, oh my goodness, I'm still breathing hard. I hope you are too, because you're still using your arms, your core, your legs to go through the entire movement. Now, if this is your first time, you're gonna do that. Even though I take it a little bit higher, keep doing the modified. Now, if you feel like you can do a couple of them in full plank, go ahead and plank it out. But if you need to bring your knees down, go ahead. Now, we're gonna do the second one, going all the way into plank. And if you want, adding a push-up, all right? Let's get at it. All right, starting at the front of your mat. Deep inhale. And deep exhale. You also want to make sure that you're breathing throughout all of the movement. So make sure we're going to have a little breather in between. You want to keep your core engaged, pulling your navel into your spine on every single movement. And you want to make sure that you're breathing. So this one, we're going to start in the squat and up. Come back to plank for 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, relax back in child's pose. Take a deep inhale and exhale, relax. I like to bring my palms together and put them to the lower back or the lower neck. Take an inhale And exhale, round all the way up. All right, how did that feel? I mean, you should feel it in your legs, your arms. Now what we're gonna do before we go to advance, we're gonna stretch it out, lay on your stomach, come into Sphinx Pose. Take a deep inhale, and exhale. Again, deep inhale, and exhale. Shoulders away from your ears, lift through your heart, inhale, and exhale. And now since we've been working on the squats, and now we're about to start jumping, go ahead and bend your back knee and bring that leg in towards your shoulder. Beginner, just bring it in. If you're advanced, go ahead and press that heel down towards your hip and bring your hands over the top of your toes if you can, shoulders facing down. So again, it's really important to stretch out. I really recommend, a nice vinyasa flow before you do your challenge, because it really helps waken up the body and loosen up the body. But just in case you don't get it in or you need a little extra stretching, this will really help out between, especially if you find yourself cramping up because you're working out every single day. Again, if you're just a beginner, just press your foot into your hand. Otherwise, go ahead and bring your heel to your hip and really get that nice quad stretch as you're opening up your arms and your shoulders. You can keep your arms straight, or you can bring it parallel to the front of the mat. Take a deep inhale. Exhale as you stretch a little bit deeper, not forcing, but just opening up and allowing. And then slowly back down and press yourself up. Okay. So now we're going to get ready to do not the full burpee, but the burpee with the squat. So that time we did the burpee with the push-up. Now we're going to do a squat, and then the last one we're going to do a squat jump. Remember your modifications and do as much as you can. And even if you decide to go a little bit intermediate or advanced and then go back to the modification, that's okay too. So we're going to come back to the top of the mat again. All right, bring the feet hip distance apart, a little bit wider than hip distance apart actually. So this time you're gonna squat down, up, plank it back, but instead of stepping back, you're gonna actually hop back, down, hop up, down, and up. That's 3, 4, I actually got off the ground that time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. I have sweat trickling down my face. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, settle. Whatever stretches you need to do. I like Sphinx Pose, but if you have another pose that feels better, you can do that one. Also, bow pose is a good counter, or you can just relax down. Take a deep inhale and exhale, sigh it out. Deep inhale, exhale, sigh it out. Gonna take a good breather. It's good to give yourself at least 30 to 60 seconds between sets so you can give your best. Because again, this is a total body workout. It's getting your heart rate up. It's meant to challenge you. So I'm breathing hard, I'm sweating with you, I'm glistening with you. So, let's shine together. I think that's about 30-ish seconds, but we'll give it a little more. We can take 60 because this is gonna be our advance. So we're gonna come down, jump up, jump back, push-ups, the full burpee, the full advanced burpee. We're gonna do 10 of them. And again, 3 sets of 10 of the advanced one is a total body workout. If you just did that every day, you would miraculously watch your body change. And it takes less than 10 minutes. Everybody has that much time. So even if you do the modified version, you're still getting a benefit because, again, total body workouts that work your entire body gives you the most bang for your buck because you're not breaking up the workout. But if you have more time, you can do more. We have a lot of options during this challenge, so make sure you find out what works best for you. All right. Are you ready for the advanced variation? Let's go get it. All right. So this one is going to be a jump, and I think I want to start low. And this is one variation that I like probably the most. It's a malasana burpee where my feet are actually outside of my arms. Just feels really good. I'm able to get nice and deep. We got 10 of them. So we're going to start with a jump, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep going, 9, last one, push it out, 10. Woo! Oh my goodness, gets me every time. So this again is one of my favorite total body workouts. My heart is beating, I can't breathe, I can't feel my legs, I can't feel my arms. Oh my goodness, but it's so good and it's such a great workout. It's great to get your heart rate up. It's great to get that blood pumping. Just put some life and put some chi into your body. So now you can have a beautiful day or even end a beautiful day with this amazing total body workout. And I'll see you tomorrow.